Well, here late at night, bagging some castings that I sifted the other day. Just a simple operation. One man right now. I'll show you the end product here in a few minutes. I forgot my tripod, so I can't set up a time lapse, unfortunately. Wouldn't be that interesting anyway. Yeah, this place local to me ordered 20 bags, so I'm putting them together. So I'm really excited. This is my first kind of sort of sale. They're just putting these on consignment sort of right now. They just wanted 20 bags, which is fine. And they said if they sell, they will order more. I think they're going to sell because they're just kind of small sample bags for people doing seeds or small potted plants. I think they're going to work really well. We're going to put a little infographic showing how to use it. I found, at least for the castings that I use, about anywhere between a 1/8, a 1 to 8 mixture, or about a tablespoon for a small little planting cup. Works great mixed in. Can see how simple I'm going just this first order. I mean, I don't have a lot of money, so I just kind of had to wing it. Got some nice bags though. Just some stickers that my friends maybe. They just go in these nice, really, really tough bags. I got a heat sealer. I got it in a deal. So they're Ziploc, can heat seal them. They're pretty sturdy. They hold about exactly a half a cup, which is great for kind of a sample bag. And I actually sell these on the company's Etsy store if you want to buy one. They're, I think, $2.25 on there. The link is in the bottom of the description here on the video. All right, decided to make 30 of them so I can take some by some other nurseries nearby where I'm delivering these tomorrow and see if they're also interested. Hope they are. I also have some extra, so in case I get some Etsy orders, I can ship those out quick. Sweet. Nice little heat seal across the top. Sweet. All right, let's do the rest of them. Well, there they are. After about 45 minutes of work, 30 bags of worm castings. My first 30 bags. They're not pretty. They're not what the final product will look like. I'll probably get these bags printed and a few different sizes. These are the smallest ones I'll do. They're just a little over half a cup. Like I said earlier, these are available on our Etsy store if you want to help support this channel and our farm getting started. I'm going to add a few more products on there as well. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. I like making them, want to keep making them. I'm going to be doing some more educational type videos just about worms and about how to raise them and what's in the worm bins and stuff like that. Kind of break those microscopic videos I did down and do some real actual kind of like teaching lessons on what each thing is and why it's in there and what it does and if it's good or if it's bad and what it could mean if there's a lot of them, things like that. Anyway, yeah, please like and subscribe if you want to keep watching more of my videos. I'm going to keep making them.